Updating your legal name with BancorpSouth is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name change is processed quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Gather required documents. Collect all necessary documents that verify your name change. This may include a marriage certificate, divorce decree, or court order. Make sure these documents are official and clearly show your new legal name. Step 2. Visit the BancorpSouth websites. Go to the BancorpSouth official website. Look for the customer service section or the contact us page to find information on how to update your personal details. Step 3. Contact customer service. Reach out to BancorpSouth's customer service through the provided phone number or online chat. Explain that you need to update your legal name and ask for the specific process they require. Step 4. Submit required documentation. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm the update. After submitting your documents, follow up with customer service to confirm that your name change has been processed. Check your account and any correspondence from BancorpSouth to ensure everything is updated correctly. By following these steps, you can officially update your legal name with BancorpSouth. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to their customer support for assistance.